From Food Network to Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, you would have seen some scrumptious and mouth-watering dishes. Then the chef instincts in you kick in. When you decide to check a particular recipe, you will be shocked by the outrageous prices of most ingredients. Hey buddy, believe this when we say that these outrageous prices are small compared to the ingredients on our list. Welcome to our channel, where we let you in on some valuable information that you should know. In this video, we will be showcasing the world's most expensive ingredients. You will get to know about the highest value ingredients and highest value food in the world. But first, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to be reminded every time we upload a new video. Done? Now let's explore the world of these ingredients. Edible gold, $70. Surprisingly, gold also made it to the list of the world's most expensive ingredients. Edible gold? How did this substance become edible stuff? Edible gold is a type of gold used in the United States and Europe as a food additive, an exquisite one at that. This ingredient is used to make some of the world's most expensive food, haute cuisine. Edible gold is also used in sushi garnishment, ice cream sundaes in American casinos, and cookie decoration. History has it that the use of edible gold started in Europe, with more profound evidence leading to the great power of Alexandria the Great. Be rest assured, edible gold has no negative effect, as it is even used in the Far East as medicine. If you want to add some exquisite taste to your sushi or cookies, you will get a few grams for roughly $70. Iranian pistachios, $153. Pistachio is a common name, and the way it sounds makes it more superb. Pistachio! The Iranian pistachio is one of the three most sought-after pistachios in the world. Persian and Iranian pistachios are known for their rich taste and high quality. They are widely cultivated in the vast farms of Iran and are inseparable ingredients from Iranian cuisine. They are commonly sprinkled on desserts such as pastries, ice cream, gelato, truffles, and cakes. People usually go for the bright green Iranian pistachios. The Iranian pistachios are expensive due to the amazing and distinct flavor they add to food. You can get a kilogram of this bright green ingredient at about $153. Aceto balsamic vinegar, $180 or higher. As there are different names of Mercedes, so it is when it comes to vinegar. Allow us to present you with one of the world's highest value ingredients, the aceto balsamic vinegar. The aceto balsamic vinegar is also known as the aceto balsamic tradizionale de Modena, as it is originally from Italy. It is highly different from the common vinegar that we see around. This vinegar is produced from the fermented juice of 7 typical varieties of grape, with the addition of a percentage of wine vinegar. From the preparation down to the packaging, everything about the Aceto Tradizionale del Reggio Emilia is exquisite and special. On its bottle, you will see the DOP, Product Denomination of Origins, European Red Seal, that shows that it is a legitimate product in a very different food specialty. If you want to get a bottle of Aceto Tradizionale del Reggio Emilia or aceto balsamic vinegar, it is difficult to get. It is rare in local stores and expensive. A bottle sells at $180 or more. It is used to get food to the next yummy level. Aceto balsamic vinegar is used in most world's highest value food. The next highest value ingredient in this list has a strange name. Don't laugh when you see it. If you have been amazed by these ridiculous ingredients, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Ethical foie gras, $600. The ethical foie gras has been in use since the 21st century. Its origin can be traced to ancient Egypt. Foie gras is also known as the fig liver or fatty liver in France. It has the word ethical attached to it because the production process has been questioned over the years. Ethical foie gras is produced by fattening a duck or goose through scavenging or force feeding. There have been reports that there are producing alternatives. Foie gras can be eaten in forms such as mousse, terrine, or pâté in whole. This gourmet dish is ultra-rich in nutrients. The expensive ingredients can go up to $700 for a kilogram. Vanilla, $4,000. This vanilla is the same vanilla used for most of your snacks. Then why are you not buying your day-to-day snacks for $4,000? The vanilla used in flavoring is usually gotten from vanillin found in vanilla beans. The vanilla beans are expensive, so most of the vanilla used in your snacks is from lab-produced vanillin. Vanilla is one of the most sought-after ingredients in the world, which makes it to be one of the highest value ingredients. It comes from the vanilla orchid plant, which is common in South America, most specifically in Guatemala and Mexico. The plant features a rare flower that blooms for only a few hours a year. You can get a pound of vanilla for up to $4,000. What makes this ingredient to be expensive is its processing. The pod of this species needs to be fermented and aged for 2 years before their classy aroma and flavor will be released. This process is done manually. Black watermelons, $5,000 or more. Black watermelon is one of the highest value foods and highest value ingredients you can see. The black watermelon is also known as the Daisuke watermelon. It is also crowned as the world's most expensive watermelon. The watermelon has a sweet and satisfying taste, which makes every of its lover chase it. Unfortunately, it is available in little amounts. Some say only 100 pieces are produced in a year. It is rarer than the aceto balsamic vinegar. All 100 pieces are sold in auctions. In 2019, the most expensive Daisuke watermelon in history was auctioned off for a whopping $6,000. The black watermelon or the Daisuke watermelon has fewer seeds, fluffy flesh that melts when it gets to your mouth, and a higher level of sweetness than other watermelon varieties. Red Swiftlet's Nest, $10,000. Swiftlets are used to make one of the Chinese highest value foods, the bird's nest soup. Swiftlet nests are made from the hardened saliva of a swiftlet. Swiftlets are largely available in Indonesia, and this region is the largest producer of edible bird's nests. These nests can be white, yellow, or red. A bowl of bird's nest soup made with white nests can be sold for as high as $2,600. These nests are high-value food and are valued for their nutritional benefit. Swiftlet nests also feature prominently in Lunar New Year festivals every January and February. A bowl of red swiftlet nest is priced as low as $10,000. The Chinese use this expensive meal as a remedy for illnesses like stomach troubles, asthma, and tuberculosis. White Alba Truffle, $10,000. The white Alba truffles are usually found at the base of hazelnut, oak trees, and chestnuts in the forest of northern Italy. It is also known as the Trafala dell'Alma Madonna. They are called the diamonds of the kitchen, simply exquisite and expensive. White Alba truffles are used to transform foie gras, risotto, egg dishes, rice, and even pasta by adding a musty and nutty flavor to these meals. The Trafala dell'Alba Madonna is ranked among the list of highest value ingredients because of the stress it entails. 1. This type of truffle can only be harvested in the winter. 2. Truffle hunters usually specially train dogs that can smell them through the earth. In 2007, the white Alba truffle was crowned as the most expensive tuber when it was sold for a whopping sum of $330,000. Recently, an 850 gram of white Alba truffle was sold for $96,000. Excluding auctions, this high-value ingredient usually sells for around $10,000. Almas caviar, $25,000. According to Guinness World Records, the Almas caviar is the most expensive caviar on the planet. What makes the Almas caviar to be one of the world's most expensive food is the high standard involved. This caviar is just an expensive and first-class sturgeon roe. An ultra-rich Almas caviar consists of the Iranian beluga, one of the rarest and sought-after fish on the planet, that is priced between $6,500 to $26,000. The species of this fish are part of the thing that makes it special and interesting. The Iranian beluga fish must come from a specific region of the South Caspian Sea. Top chefs that make Almas caviar don't use anyhow Iranian beluga fish from the South Caspian Sea. They also make sure that the fish is albino, and specifically between 60 and 100 years old. White gold caviar, $112,000. White gold caviar is the world's most expensive food. With the price of the Stragata Bianco or white gold caviar, you can get a Tesla Model S. The white gold caviar comes from the Siberian albino sturgeon, raised at a tiny fish farm in Salzburg, Austria. This tiny and ugly fish, known as the albino beluga, is extremely rare. Once these tiny fish have been harvested, they are seasoned, dehydrated, and sprinkled with 22-karat edible gold leaf to make it even fancier. The painstaking process of this food makes it to be the highest valued food in the world. According to top chefs, the $112,000 meal is best enjoyed with pasta and risotto. The white gold caviar is buttery and velvety. After a round, you will definitely remember the experience forever. The $112,000 food wraps up our list of the world's most expensive food ingredients. If you have a chance to pick one of these two meals, which one will you go for? The white gold caviar or the almas caviar? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.